Do you like animals? Do you like animals?
I like all animals. I like all animals.
Which football club do you support? Which football club do you support?
I am a big fan of Chelsea. I am a big fan of Chelsea.
How much do you need? How much do you need?
I need $5,000. I need $5,000. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything.
Can I speak to Paul? Can I speak to Paul?
Sorry, he's not here. Sorry, he's not here.
What kind of animal is that? What kind of animal is that?
It's a kangaroo. It's a kangaroo.
What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport?
Football is my favorite sport. Football is my favorite sport.
Is it okay to park here? Is it okay to park here?
Yes, you can park here. Yes, you can park here.
You are Julia, right? You are Julia, right?
That's right. That's right.
What time does it start? What time does it start?
It starts at 10 o'clock. It starts at 10 o'clock. We paid $50. We paid $50.
Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor?
I'd be happy to help you. I'd be happy to help you.
What's your name again? What's your name again?
My name is Julia. My name is Julia.
What does this mean? What does this mean? Do you smoke? Do you smoke?
No, I stopped smoking. No, I stopped smoking.
Are you really sure? Are you really sure?
Yes, of course I am. Yes, of course I am.
Do you have close friends? Do you have close friends?
I have close friends in Moscow. I have close friends in Moscow.
Do you have a job? Do you have a job?
Yes, I work at McDonald's. Yes, I work at McDonald's.
How much did you pay? How much did you pay? What is your favorite dish? What is your favorite dish?
I love pasta. I love pasta.
How much is this t-shirt? How much is this t-shirt?
It costs $20. It costs $20.
Where is she going? Where is she going?
She's going to the library. She's going to the library.